In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove checklists on a Trello board. If you're a Trello user, you'll likely agree that checklists are a fantastic way to keep track of detailed tasks within your project management boards. Today, we'll go through a simple process to add these helpful tools to your workspace and also how to remove them when they're no longer needed. First, let's jump right into Trello by opening your web browser and heading over to Trello.com. Once the site is loaded, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of your screen. Now at this point, you'll have a couple of options to log in. You can either enter your email and password for Trello, or if you find it more convenient, you might choose to log in with your Google account. Simply select the option that works best for you and proceed to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Here, you'll need to navigate over to the Boards section, where all your Trello boards are conveniently displayed. Look for the section titled Your Workspaces, which houses all your active boards. Once you find it, click on the specific board that you'll be working with today. With your board open, you'll see cards lined up neatly across the board. These represent the different tasks or projects you're working on. For now, click on a card where you want to add a checklist. After opening the card, look for an option to add items and click on Checklist. This action will prompt you to name your checklist, which will help you organize your tasks efficiently. Take a moment to give your checklist a clear and descriptive name, then click on Add to create it. Now that your checklist is created, it's time to populate it with tasks. Within the checklist dialog box, input your task and hit Add. Each time you click Add, your new task gets appended to the list. Feel free to add as many tasks as you need to fully capture all the necessary steps or actions required to complete this card's project. But what if you no longer need a checklist? Perhaps the tasks are outdated or the project has been cancelled. Removing it is just as simple. Inside the card, locate the checklist by scrolling through the card details. Look for a small delete option associated with the checklist. Once you click on that, you'll see another prompt to delete checklist. Confirm your action by selecting it, and just like that, your checklist will be removed, leaving your card free for other uses. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on adding and removing checklists in Trello. This feature not only streamlines your workflow, but also helps you track progress with greater ease. Remember that maintaining organized checklists can significantly improve productivity within collaborative projects. Thank you for joining in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your Trello endeavors.